Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called PaidCashTo.com, and we're going to find out whether you can actually earn $500 a day, which is what they claim on their website. And also make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, because I should be uncovering some secrets that you're going to actually want to know before you actually go and join PaidCashTo. Without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop and run through a full review of PaidCashTo.com. Okay, so as you can see, we've come onto the PaidCashTo website, and you can see here in the middle here it says make $500 today, get paid to test apps, invite friends, do surveys, and small tasks similar to that. Now, we're going to dive a little bit further into this, and like I say, stay tuned, because I'm going to uncover some truths that you're going to really want to know about before you actually go and join PaidCashTo. So like it says here, you will get paid $500, and it also says you will earn $15 for every user that you refer. Not only that, you actually get a $50 bonus to join right now. So this is basically what they are saying you'll be able to do. You'll be able to obviously complete the first step to the PaidCashTo family, and then you'll be rewarded with a $50 bonus sign up. You'll share the opportunity with friends, family, colleagues. You're going to get $2 per click and $15 per sign up. And then you can obviously withdraw through various payment methods here, PayPal, Bitcoin included. Now, if you are a regular to my channel, you will probably already be setting alarm bells up for you, and you've probably seen me go over sites exactly like this on my channel, and then you can actually go and view similar sites to this in this playlist here, and I'll put a link in above in the description. But let's just go and dive a little bit deeper into the PaidCashTo website and find out exactly why I think you might not want to go and join it. Right, so the first thing we come across to is live payments. So here are the member payouts, and as you can see here, we've got $900, $897, $255. So the people, according to this, are getting paid out. But as you can see, guys, these are big sums of money. Why would you wait that amount of time for your account to build up when you can pull it out whenever you want, which is basically what they say inside their website. And you've also got this pop-up that keeps popping up on the side saying that people have just been verified. There you go there, £2,573.22. Now, that doesn't make sense, because every task inside of the PaidCashTo website is a round figure, so you can't make any sense at all. It's all it would have to be a straight dollar payment. So straight away, that is a little bit of a red flag there that we need to worry about. Keep an eye on this timer down here as well. That is going to obviously expire in a couple of minutes. Now, let's just run over to a site called who.is. A couple of red flags here. First one, Tusco's Inc. are renowned for hosting scam websites. A lot of these scam websites are based on this server. So that is not a good sign. And as you can see here, they were actually registered just a short while ago in January of 2022. Okay. So let's quickly go over to the About Us page. So this should tell you a little bit about the company, and it doesn't really. It just basically tells you what you still have to go and do. They want you to obviously get paid faster. You know, it says you're always a message away from assistance. That's not what you want to hear on a About page. You should be telling us about this. But they say they've got a community of over 10 million affiliates. Now, we're talking a couple of months, guys, and you've got 10 million affiliates. I think that's stretching it just a tad. Let's go and check out their terms and conditions. So we click on the terms and conditions. Okay, and it says here in the terms and conditions, first line, these terms of use were updated on the 14th of May 2021. Whoa, hang on a minute. Weren't they only registered back in January 22? So their actual terms were updated like 8-9 months before the actual site went live. That again doesn't ring true. A lot of this stuff is fake, guys. This is a fake website. Yes, you will get the $50 bonus. You will get the $2 per click, all that sort of thing. But they won't pay out. It's as simple as that. They won't pay out. What they're basically doing, they're getting you to do surveys and that on their behalf. They're getting a small amount of money. It goes to themselves and then they don't pay you out. They're paying you like $50 to make a YouTube video, $45 to post to Facebook, that sort of thing. Well, where's the money coming from? There is no money there, guys. There's no way of getting a revenue from the site. Okay, so it just doesn't add up. And like I said, these verification tab here keeps dropping down with odd numbers. And again, that doesn't ring true. See, we were less than 2 minutes a little while ago. This has bounced up again to 3 minutes or something. So again, it's just getting you to try and sign up as quickly as possible. You've obviously got testimonials here as well. And this is a good thing. It says here, these are video testimonials, and it says the video is no longer available because the YouTube account associated with this video has been terminated. So in other words, YouTube has terminated their YouTube account. So again, that is not a good sign, guys. It really isn't. I definitely would not go and sign up to PaidCashTo. There are plenty of other sites that you can go and sign up to actually earn money by taking surveys and that. I've done a full list of those on one of my playlists on my website. So check those out. At the end of this video, I'll leave a link to the playlist there. And there, don't get me wrong, you are going to get paid, but you're not going to get paid $50 for signing up, or $2 a click, or $15 if you refer someone. It's going to be a few cents per survey or task that you do, but they will pay out. There's a lot of sites that will pay out. Okay, so make sure you check those out if that's what you really want to do, but I would stay well clear of PaidCashTo. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Also remember, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch this video next, and we will see you on the next video.